Next thing, if you just want to compare the FLSM and the VLSM designs with an examples while assigning the host IP addresses, like here I got two different topologies. Basically both have the same requirement. If you see here 13 20 20, 13 20 20 here, as well as 29 host here in this LAN, and of course on every router interface we need 2 IPs, basically 2 IPs here. The requirement will be 2 here on every interface. So these are typically like your LAN interfaces, and these are your WAN interfaces normally. So if you're going with FLSM, like in the beginning we have discussed FLSM. So in case of FLSM, we are going with the equal sizes. So if you see the requirement is 13, 20, 20, 29. So basically we are going with the 2 to the power of 5, 32 size everywhere. So which means even though my requirement is this, I'm going with 32 size everywhere. So you can see 32 size everywhere. So which means my slash value will be 32 minus 5 slash 27. So this will be slash 27 everywhere, right? So that is like FLSM design, and you can see the address allocations like from 1 to 31 is given here. You can see the one network ID, 0 to 31, that is a network ID, and 32 to 63, like 32 64 here, 64 to 127 given, not 127, 95, and from 96 to again multiples of 16, 96 plus plus 32 plus 32 plus 32. Okay, so if you write the range, so basically the same range what we have written, I'm just applying them in a real designs. So generally with the designs, so just to compare that, so I'll be using 96 to 127, and here 128 to 159. Here it will be 160 to 191, and here it will be 223, right? So of course the first address is a network ID. So in documentation diagrams you see like this normally. So this indicates that this is using 192.168.1.0 subnet with a slash 27, means there are host bits 5, right? Remaining all are host 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So the size of the network is 2 to the power of 5, 32 is a size, which means 0 to 31, means group of 32 addresses will be belong to my network, something like that. So if you take the same example here with VLSM, so in the VLSM we are not going with the same requirement. So if you try to see, the requirement is 13 here, 20 here, 20 here, and then 29 here, and of course 2 here for these interfaces. So what we are doing is we are going with the VLSM design. In this VLSM design, so the first requirement will go with, if you see the first requirement, we are going with 29. So the possible size is going to be 29, means the possible size is 2 to the power of 5, 32 is a possible size. So the slash value will be slash 27. Okay, so the next requirement, so which means we are allocating the addresses from 0 to 31 will be allocated to this department. So 0 to 31 is allocated here. Here you can see 1.0, 0 to 31, 31. And the next thing is 32. So we'll go with the next requirement. So the next requirement is 20 and 20. So here you can see there are two 20s here as well as here. So next 32 size we're allocating from 32 to 63, because 20 means again the same size, 32 size slash 27 slash 27. So the next range will be 32 64. So you know these calculations. So which means I'm going to allocate this 32 to 63 here and 64 to 95 here for this one. And if you take the next requirement is 13. So from 96, so 13 means how much? 2 to the power of 4, 16 is a possible size slash 128. So 96 to plus 16. Plus 16 means 102, 112. So till 111. Which means we are allocating from 96 to 111 here with a block of slash 28. You can see slash 28 written here. And from 112 and a group of, now here you can see the requirement here. We just have two addresses. It will be 2, 2, 2. So we got 3 WAN interfaces. So we need only 2 IPs here. So the size will be 2 to the power of 2, 4. And the subnet mask will be slash 30 for all the 3. So which means 112, 116, 120. So the address range from, this is the range I'm writing here, 119 and till 123. You can see the network IDs here. These are the network IDs. So 112, 116 and 120 we are using here. So this is the difference. So if you try to see the FLSM examples here, in FLSM basically all the network will be equal sizes. There will be slightly more wastage of the IPs. So that can be minimized with the VLSM designs. So this is how you generally design the IP addressing with respect to VLSM. So we have seen the previous example, and this is another example to understand that. So let's see one more example with a VLSM design here. Again, the same. We have 3 locations and 3 routers, and we have LAN. So these are the different LANs: 125 host, 28, 60, and 12 host. So the first thing we need to figure out the nearest possible size. So the possible size is 128 here. So the possible size is 32. So the possible size here is 64, and the possible size here is 16. So based on this, the subnet mask we can calculate as /25, /25, right? Because 7 host bits to the power of 7, and this is going to be /27. Already you can see here, because 5 host bits, 32 minus 5 is 27, and here it is /26, and here it is /28. You can see the subnet mask. Now when you're allocating the addresses, you can allocate this way, like from writing from 192 to 168 10.subnet. So this is common for all. So from 0, first I'll allocate this one. So 0 to 127. So we're allocating for this department with a 150 host. So the next range will start with 128. And the second one will allocate from 128. So as per my topology, this is the next highest. So I'll go with this. So this is the first one. Second one is group of 64 addresses. So it's going to be 192. So it ends on 191 with /26. This is /25. So this is second one. And moving on to the third one. So the third subnet. Now third subnet starts with 192. So 192 will go with this one. This is my third subnet. So 192, group of 32 addresses. So 192 plus 32 is going to be 224. So this is going to be end on 223 and /27. So the address range from 192 to 223 is allocated here. And from 224 here, group of 16. So it's up to 240. So means 224 to 240, 239. 239 will be allocated up to here. So from 240, we have addresses available. So from 240 to 255, we have addresses. So we'll be using 240 plus 3030. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we require 3 WAN interfaces. So 240, 244, 248, group of 4 bits. So 240 is used here, 244 is used here, 248 is used here. Of course, the range you can see here, 247, and this is 253, 251, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay.